1, 2, 3, radio check. Say something, Mike.
Say something, Mike.
My friends, welcome back to the channel. We are here with our good friend Mike over there. Say hi, Mike.
Hi, Mike.
And Mike brought us this beautiful, really clean TRS-80 Color Computer 3. And I understand this is like your daily driver type machine, right?
It will be when we're
done
today.
So, and what we're going to do today is, if I may hold this up, we're going to install a GIME-Z. A GIME-Z, for those of you who don't know, I think is and Mike, please correct me if I'm wrong. Mike is like, you know, the local god on all things CoCo. And this is an FPGA-based, like HDMI high resolution video mod, yes? So it comes with this little board. We'll have to take out some capacitors. We have to install a nice back panel so we can plop in the HDMI thing. So before we get started, friends, if you like this kind of content, please consider sharing, and subscribing on all my socials. Or if you would consider buying something from my store on retrobytemeister.com. We're still running a special on these MS-DOS gaming consoles. Storage option or not, you can save up to $10 and get one of these for as low as $15 using the code Happy New Year 2026 only until February 14th. So hurry into the store and get yours now before the offer expires. Thank you. So let's just get started. We're going to pop her right open. Let's see, it's like 6 screws, is that right?
6 screws, yes.
6 screws. And we'll need the deep socket one, and we need this guy here, I would reckon. Oh yeah. So what's the work that you've done to this, Mike?
Right now there is a 512 memory upgrade. It was 128. It's 512 now. We're going to upgrade that from 512 to 2 megs.
Dang.
And we're also going to swap out the 6809 processor for a 6309 processor.
Oh, okay. So we're is the 60? Tell me the difference between those two processors.
Well, they're it's funny. There's a lot more to it than than I can explain, but the 6309 gave a lot more. It's faster for one.
Okay.
And if you do assembly, there's a lot more registers that you can use.
Oh, okay.
And so you can see the speed ups. There's some really great programmers out there that take some old code like OS9, turn it into ease of use, nitrous to 9, and you can see the difference in speed is night and day.
Wow. Okay. So it's basically it's a speed update.
Yeah, it's a faster processor, but it works. It's very, unless you program for that processor, everything works identical.
Oh, beautiful.
It's not like going from a 486 to a Pentium where everything is faster.
All right, so here we go. We're going to install the back panel later somewhere over here, I'm guessing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Let's put this somewhere safe. Do not sit there. Oh God, ribbon cables. I hate those.
Oh, that just pulls right out.
It just pulls right out like this?
Right out. Yes, just pull it right out. There you go.
All right.
Key here where it comes right up now.
Oh, thank goodness.
Not even attached.
So
there you go.
Wow, look at that. That is nice. The Commodore Plus 4 has a similar design. It also has like this ribbon cable, but on the Commodore Plus 4, the ribbon cable is absolutely awful. We have the high profile capacitor here. This guy needs to come out, friends, because the GIME-Z is going to take the place of the GIME, I guess. It's the GIME.
Yeah,
chip,
that's
right?
a GIME. I think that's a later version, the 1987 one.
Okay. 1987. Cool. All right. And here's your RAM upgrade.
That is.
And all right. And this is the CPU, and we're going to pop that guy out. Now I understand. Now I know why you're here. 40-pin CPU, and that needs to come out, huh?
Yeah, we'll put a what do you call it in there instead?
The socket? Yeah,
we'll socket it.
I got some sockets. Not a problem. All right. So power is out. I'm guessing we can now remove the main board. I've never worked on one of these, so this is a premiere. All right, and here we are. These guys need to come out. So this needs to come out for me to get the other clip.
Yeah, that needs to come out anyways because we're replacing that.
Okay, we're replacing this. So here we go.
Beautiful.
Not a single broken pin.
Look at that. It's gorgeous.
hold your horses. Before we do any of that, let's grab the power supply one more time. Make sure it works right now. I usually start with that, you know.
I've done that before I left.
Did you?
Okay. Before I brought it over, I ran the RAM test and everything.
It works.
Yes, works perfect.
All right.
With 512.
I'll trust you.
Promise you.
Well,
here's your capacitor.
All right, that's the capacitor that needs to come out. Okay, and the capacitor that needs to come out is this guy. Yep, it's this guy here. Well, first thing we always do is add fresh solder straight after it.
Help me understand. That's not something I would have done. Oof. Why did you put new solder if you were only sucking it out?
So, we could have probably done it by itself, but you see how there's like very little solder on there, and there's not much to hold on to, right? See, when you go, like, you see how there's like very little solder. The pin is very small. It was cut very close to the PCB, and there's very little solder. It almost feels flat compared to, like, you know.
Oh, so you're adding more solder so that it's easier to take it out. Gotcha.
That's exactly right. And adding more solder so it's easier to take out. Plus the solder aged over the last, 50 years or so, right? Or 40 years almost. Hold on. Look at that. Ta-da. There's that. All right, so we're not going to install it quite yet. We're just going to get rid of all the other stuff first. That is the end of that.
That is something.
Let's see here.
I like that tool.
Yeah, but we haven't won yet.
No,
this is, she is still stuck.
Still got some.
Now it's the flux time. Let's see. Are you a little looser now? Oh yeah. And if this fails too, which it might, because this is a really sucky machine. Ow. If this fails too, we got the real big guns hanging up there.
Jeez. Hey, look at that. That's awesome.
While we're still hot, quick. Here we go.
Oh, clean off.
Oh yeah.
What you do?
Oh yeah. Make sure the holes are empty. See, look at that. It's empty now.
Beautiful, huh?
And that's empty now. Good. But what I'm looking for is whether or not there's a rip between this green part here and this part.
In the pad?
Like, yeah, like right over there. That looks a little weird. You see that?
Yeah.
But this guy goes to... It's fine. Yeah, look at that. And now, install the socket.
Isn't it pretty?
It is nice. All right, let's pop the new CPU in.
Oh, the day
So, okay, tell me what the... So this needs to stick out further so we can bend it. Is that right? Because the profile for this... Right,
because that's too high, so we're going to have to bend that down, right?
Yeah, minus away from the bob, like this. And then I think we would like it to live like this, perhaps.
That's probably good. Yes. So long as it's down underneath this.
Yeah.
Because this is your
we can
thing is going to go over the top of it.
You can also install it like this, maybe.
Oh, look at that, maybe.
Yeah, that's probably better. I mean, I don't like doing this.
I don't like doing that. There's too much show in there.
Yeah, but who cares? We can always add, if this doesn't work, it's somehow shortening out, which it's not. But if it were, we could always add like some shrink wrap or something like that. Double check the polarity. Yep, some Kapton tape over it to make sure it doesn't wiggle too much. See, and now it's a little more stable.
All right, beautiful.
And if something were to touch it from above, it won't short out. Now we can install 6309 is what you want, right?
Correct.
Yeah, all right, here we go. And it lives in there like so. Yes?
That's where your machine comes in handy. That's why I always have to flatten them.
Yep, that's
against my desk. Oh, I like that thing. I've bent so many.
Yeah.
Bent so many pins without that.
And you're sitting there with like tweezers and trying to like straighten them out again.
Yes.
Oh, God.
Look at that.
It fits.
Oh my golly. Up that sucker in there.
Function test. Make sure it didn't break it.
Nope, we need memory in there first.
Oh shoot, you're right. Well, since we were gonna install the memory upgrade, now's a good moment, right?
Sure.
Cloud 9, 2 megabyte memory upgrade coming to a CoCo near you. Boink. Boink. Alright, so remind me where this thing goes. So this one part goes into,
I forgot
like
where he
so.
said.
Where does that get plugged?
Where does it get plugged? Here.
I know it brings 2 grounds and 2 lines.
Well, if worst case, we got the 512 we can pop back in there.
Oh yeah, you're right. I guess we could do that.
That looks good.
Yep. Well, I
looks
mean,
pretty.
it looks horrible, right? But that's because
I don't know. It could look a lot worse.
Yeah, that's true. That is true. CPU works. Capacitor works. Socket didn't destroy the computer. RAM upgrade. Well, it's doing something with RAM. So we're almost done with this modification, like at least electric, right? Now for the main event.
Woohoo!
Where's that? This guy right over.
What's that?
You can just look at this 3D printed thing here.
Yes.
You can just keep that in. That guy just.
That's how you have to do it. Is that how that goes in?
Yep. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Plug that wire in.
Oh no, the wire goes in here.
Well, which two?
It goes on. It's 4. It goes on both.
Oh, you take the jumper off.
Yes, the jumper goes out. Well, first things first. We're gonna install this guy. But before we do that wire, can you hand me that ribbon cable there? Bottom's out.
Flip her down.
Flip it out. That's it. Just like that, friend. And then this guy lives here. Now comes time to reinstall this nonsense here. The board is installed in the back. The button is pushable. HDMI port is in. Power is on. All right. Moment of truth, boss.
Come on.
We got a green screen. Oh. What's this?
That usually looks like memory to me. Or that also could mean that the GIME is not pressed down into the socket well enough.
Let's try that. Or what about this guy? Could it be that this is maybe installed the wrong way?
Possibly. That looks a little tiny bit better, huh? Nice job.
Thank you, sir.
Hey,
look at the quality of that. Oh my God. The GIME-Z is just outstanding.
Firmware.
Wow.
Blue screen. Okay, I don't want a blue screen. I want a red screen. It goes there. There's my red screen. Now things will look better.
Okay.
Now I can press enter, and now my colors.
Wow.
Now my colors will look much better because I have a brown donkey rather than a blue donkey.
Yeah. Boom, and we're dead.
Yeah.
Wow, would you look at that? Installed, my dude.
Love it. Great job.
Thank you, sir. This is what it looks like in the end. Here's the GIME-Z 2 megabyte memory upgrade with MMU connector cable, which is this guy here. This here goes to the button that Mike just pressed to get the graphics mode situated. And this little ribbon here transfers HDMI to the output pin. That looks like this. All right, let's put it back together. And just before we were done, we replaced the stock 128K batch with a 2048K batch so that the CoCo3 shows what's under the hood. If you need anything repaired, restored, or modded, friends, call your boy RetroByteMeister at retrobytemeister.com. Thank you for watching. Bye.